7-Day Success Boost. Unlock your potential today. In today's dynamic landscape, personal growth and success are paramount. This essay outlines a 7-day plan designed to help practitioners unlock their potential and achieve tangible results in their professional and personal lives. Day 1. Self-awareness. Understand your strengths and weaknesses. Recognizing one's strengths and weaknesses is the foundation of growth. Use proven tools like the Clifton Strengths Assessment Gallup 2023 to identify your top 5 talent themes, and the Hogan Personality Inventory HPI to uncover potential derailers that may hinder success. So what? Leverage strengths daily and address weaknesses proactively to maximize productivity. Day 2. Goal setting. Define clear objectives. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals are essential for success. Establish SMART objectives in your personal and professional life using the Locke-Latham goal-setting theory. Locke-Latham, 2013. So what? Achieving these goals will provide a roadmap for growth and offer a sense of direction. Day 3. Time management. Master your schedule. Effective time management is crucial for success. Adopt the Eisenhower Matrix. Eisenhower, 1954, to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. So what? A well-organized schedule allows you to focus on high-priority tasks, increasing productivity and reducing stress. Day 4. Learning. Embrace lifelong education. Invest in lifelong learning to stay competitive and adaptable. Utilize platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or edX for online courses tailored to your interests. So what? Continuous learning will help you develop new skills, broaden your knowledge, and remain at the forefront of your field. Day 5. Networking. Build meaningful relationships. Networking is key to success in today's interconnected world. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and engage on platforms like LinkedIn to expand your network. So what? Building meaningful relationships can open doors to opportunities, provide mentorship, and foster collaboration. Day 6. Mindset. Cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset is essential for success in the face of challenges. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than threats to your ego. Dweck, 2006. So what? A growth mindset will help you persevere through adversity, embrace feedback, and develop resilience. Day 7. Self-care. Prioritize wellness. Self-care is often overlooked but crucial for long-term success. Establish a regular exercise routine, maintain a balanced diet, and practice mindfulness to improve mental and physical well-being. American Psychological Association, 2023. So what? By prioritizing self-care, you'll be better equipped to handle stress, maintain focus, and avoid burnout. By focusing on self-awareness, goal setting, time management, lifelong learning, networking, cultivating a growth mindset, and prioritizing self-care, achieve tangible results in their personal and professional lives.